Good afternoon, Class 4-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's spelling lesson for Period 7. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020, and I hope everyone is safe and well. So what I'm holding in front of me is what I passed out to all of you in class last week, saying that we were going to switch to the workbook that I had made because you had told me that the words from the Jolly Grammar book were a bit too difficult for you. Even though some of you scored very well on the test, there was still a number of students who found the words very challenging. So hopefully this makes it a bit easier for everyone. This is the workbook, and these are the word lists that I have used in my grade 4 classes previously, okay? So since we're mid-year, we're going to be starting in the middle of the book. We're going to be starting with spelling list number 15, which is long and short O words. Long and short O words, okay? Please listen and repeat each word after me, okay? Number 1, loose. Loose. Number 2, choose. Choose. Number 3, shook. Shook. Number 4, understood. Understood. Number 5, balloon. Balloon. Number 6, looked. Looked. Number 7, moose. Moose. Number 8, goose. Goose. Number 9, smooth. Smooth. Number 10, toothache. Toothache. Okay, I will explain how to do the activities in just a moment. Right now, what I want to do is I want to show you the flashcards to go along with this spelling list, this activity. Okay, so we have long O words. So for example, food is a long O word. Okay, you can hear the ooh sound that the O makes. Short O sounding words, foot. Okay, this has more of an sound to it. Okay, so long O and short O words. Let's go through the list. Loose. Clothes that fit comfortably, not tight. So you can see all the children here, they're happy because they're in loose clothing. Loose clothing is comfortable for people to sleep in. Okay, so many of you, if you have pajamas, these are usually loose, so you can feel relaxed and comfortable when sleeping. Number 2, choose. To select from a number of choices. So you can see here in the picture, the boy has a tough decision to make. He must choose between a healthy meal, a carrot, bread, and milk, or junk food. That looks like a big bowl of spaghetti and meatballs, a cupcake, and a popsicle. He has to choose one. My brother will choose chocolate cake for dessert, but I will choose apple pie. Which one will you choose? Shook. This is the simple past tense of shake. You can look at this picture. The dog shook the water off of its body after a bath. Next, understood. This is the simple past tense of understand. You can see the students giving a thumbs up. That means that they have understood. Sometimes students give a thumbs up when they have understood something. Do you do that with your teachers or your parents? Next, balloon. A bag made of thin rubber, brightly colored and filled with air. The sound of a balloon can scare people when it pops. Do you like to fly a balloon or blow up a balloon? Looked. Simple past tense of look. To turn your eyes towards something or someone to see. Sometimes you use binoculars to see something that's far away, right? And the boy has looked through a magnifying glass to make something bigger. Garrett looked at the beautiful sunset at the beach with his family. Next, moose. A large, long-headed animal in the deer family. You can see the huge antlers on top of its head. In America, it is common for people to hunt moose. Next, goose. Wild, web-footed birds with longer necks, legs, and bigger bodies than ducks. The goose is very cute, isn't it? Some people may have a goose for dinner on Christmas Day. This is true. Next, smooth. Flat, not rough, free from unevenness. So you can see the difference between something that is smooth and then something that is rough, like this rock. A baby's skin is often soft and smooth. And the last one is toothache. A pain in or around a tooth. You can see the tooth doesn't look very happy. It's in pain. You should go to the dentist if you have a toothache. Okay, so these slides will be up on my page. And you can also review these slides when you are doing your homework and to help you write your sentences. Now let's go back to the workbook. Now in the workbook, the first thing you're going to do is put your name at the top. Tae-Jun Lee, that's my name. And then today's date, October 20th, 2020. Okay? So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the word. I'm going to write my words one time. So, very easy. You just look at the word and you copy. Number 1, loose. L-O-O-S-E. Number 2, choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Number 3, shook. S-H-O-O-K. Number 4, understood. UNDERSTOOD. That's a compound word, two words together. Number 5, balloon. BALLOON. Number 6, looked. LOOKED. Number 7, moose. MOOSE. Number 8, goose. GOOSE. Number 9, smooth. SMOOTH. And number 10, toothache. TOOTHACHE. Okay, some big words in there. Now, the next thing you have to do is you have to write the words in ABC order. So that's the order in which the words would appear in the alphabet. So you look through your word list. Do we have any words that start with A? No, we do not. Do we have any words that start with B? Yes, we do. Balloon. So that's going to be my first word in ABC order. BALLOON. Okay? And what helps me with ABC order is to put a number next to the word after I've written it. So, do I have any words with C? Aha, yes I do. Choose. That's easy. Choose is number 2. That stays the same. CHOOSE. Okay? And you do this until you get to the very last word. Okay? Over here, you're going to write the Japanese or the Korean meaning. Okay? Sometimes this helps students to study for the test, and it also helps students to understand what the word means or what something is. Okay? If it helps you, you can write the Japanese meaning or the Japanese word or the Korean meaning or the Korean word. Some students like to write both. Okay? It's up to you. The next part, you're going to write a sentence for each word. Okay? So I'm going to just go in order of my list. So here's an example of how you should be writing your words in my class, or writing your sentences for the words in my class. Okay? Number 1, I like to wear loose clothing in the summer. And then I have my period, my full stop at the end. I like to wear loose clothing in the summer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a box around my spelling word. Okay? Capital letters to start the sentence, full stops to end the sentence. Okay? So I'll do another one. Number 2. My dad will choose a bacon cheese burger for lunch. That sounds good, doesn't it? Okay. My dad will choose a bacon cheeseburger for lunch. Capital letter, full stop, and I'm going to put a box around my spelling word. Okay? Now, the last part you're going to do here, you're going to draw and color pictures for 4 of the words. You can choose any of the words you'd like. Okay? So what I'm going to do, as an example, I'm going to draw a balloon. It's nice and easy. Okay. And I think I want a blue balloon. So I'm just going to color it nicely. There's my balloon. Okay. And that's it. That is your spelling list for this week. Please remember to do parts 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and study your words. And practice using all of your words in sentences. Try to practice saying them in more than one sentence too. That's all for today. Have fun, stay safe, and be well. And I will talk to you very soon and hopefully see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.